We have a casualty. Stretching, preparing for the day. Oh yeah, it's good. It's good.
It was that last birthday that did it.
Yeah, it's a pretty day today. The sun's up. We're taking our time because we're doing a short ride. We're going to try to catch a lot of distillery tours today, so we're going to take a short, easy ride. Having some IT band pain today, so pop some ibuprofen and yeah, ready for it. Riding what's called the Legacy Trail, right?
Yep.
So we're in a Marriott because they have a Starbucks. Let's get some coffee, some breakfast.
It's honey. I'm drizzling honey on that fruit.
Oh my goodness. I gave him my fruit. I'm having the omelet. And look at that.
Banana art.
Banana art. I'm gonna have to rearrange too to get my coffee on there. First world problems. Oh, I'm biking and splashing my Starbucks. We parked the bikes out here. We're right outside the Bluegrass Distillers. We're here to check out this bourbon. There's a high rye.
Yeah,
Weeded.
She was talking about the 107.
This is where you can fill your own bottle, I think. Outdoor seating should work. We had a good time eating there and hanging out. We're gonna go check out, I think, Transylvania University. We're back on the Legacy Trail. Making our way. Heading back towards the campground.